Hey guys, it's Nick. Holden. Gearhead here. We're currently at Volkswagen, junkyard. Finally got the steering wheel undone from the Subaru, so we're gonna go look out for his headlights for his Hyundai.
See if we maybe can find the S10 Blazer out here, maybe too. This is supposedly where it's sitting. That's where I was told. We have not seen it at all yet, so maybe we will find it, or maybe not.
Like always, we'll keep you updated and things.
So just got done with our little junkyard trip. Got our steering wheel out there in the back. We found that '04 Hyundai Sonata, no headlight that we can use for it or anything to get a new headlight. Never found the S10, no clue where that's at, I guess. But yeah, so we'll come back at you when we get back home. And so with that new steering wheel we got from the junkyard, we started working on the Volkswagen steering wheel. As you can see here, we got the airbag out and everything. And this little bit right here, we just spent close to an hour and a half looking all over town for this one bit. One store had 8 bits that were all different sizes for $60, and then the other store that we just finally got done looking around had 4 of these for only $8. And finally, it took us an hour and a half going all over town looking for one bit, and we finally found it. So we're going to hopefully keep moving forward on the steering wheel, and we will definitely come back at you with another update.
So we learned after taking apart the whole steering column, pretty much, taking the actual steering airbag, some of the CPU parts, and all the other jumbo, whatever. Besides, the point is, we needed a hub for it. We're not so bright. We're bright in some areas, but steering wheels, this is the first time me and Holden ever installed one. So we learned that a junkyard aftermarket steering wheel does not fit a EOS at the moment. But we're going to go look for an adapter. If we can't find one, we're probably going to end up selling it and buying one that can actually fit hubs. But anyways, thank you for watching, and always hit that subscribe button, and always